The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Benson County in northeastern North Dakota, southern Towner County in northeastern North Dakota, southwestern Cavalier County in northeastern North Dakota, western Ramsey County in northeastern North Dakota, until 1:45 a.m. At 12:47 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles east of Wolford to near Wellsburg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Devil's Lake, Candu, Camp Grafton, Lakewood Park, Leeds, Maddock, and Fort Totten. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.